In this video, I'll show you a trick on how to fix your Yamaha AV receiver in case it doesn't want to turn on at all. So even if you press the power button, nothing is happening. Well, the first thing that I suggest, actually is the easiest thing, is to simply unplug the receiver from the wall outlet and let it sit during at least 10 minutes. Then you can plug it back. And instead of turning it on as usual with the power button, what you'll do is gonna press the info button. Mine is over here, but maybe yours is in a different position. Press the info button at the same time as the tone control button. So again, maybe yours is not placed over here. Some of them are over here. Just locate the info and tone control and press them both at the same time. Keep them pressed. And then you're gonna press the power button and then you can release everything. You're gonna enter in this menu over here and it will tell you if there is an error with your AV receiver. Obviously, if a capacitor is going bad or if anything physical is wrong with it, this won't fix it. You'll need to get it repaired. But I think this trick is worth trying because maybe it's just a software issue and it can be fixed just in a few minutes like you just saw. So before using your receiver, you just need to turn it off, wait 5 seconds and then turn it back on again. And then you'll be able to use it. If the error keeps coming back again, well, I think you'll need to get it fixed because there's probably something bad inside of it. So this was my trick. If you have other solutions to fix this problem without opening it, well, write them down below in the comment section. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful about it. If not, just leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, just thanks for watching.